Did you know you could use your pivot to clean carpet? That's right. At Square Scrub, one of the things we're most proud of is the concept of versatility squared. The fact that you can use our product in multiple areas of your facility. When it comes to carpet, we pair our pivot with our microfiber carpet pad and an encapsulant cleaner. The encapsulant cleaner is agitated into the carpet by the microfiber carpet pad and the orbital action of the pivot, and it encapsulates, dries to a non-sticky, flaky crystal around the oily, sticky soils that are in the carpet. Those soils are vacuumed away at the next scheduled vacuuming because the detergent is designed to crystallize and be vacuumed out. So you can use your pivot on carpet as well as hard surfaces in your facility. Until next time, remember, all it takes is a little elbow grease.